2023 Kia Carnival versus 2022 Kia Carnival, the sibling comparison. Last year, Kia came out with a new take on the spacious minivan concept with the 2022 Kia Carnival. Known as an MPV, the brand set out to help mid-Michigan drivers reimagine what it meant to drive a minivan and an SUV. Now going into the 2023 Kia Carnival, the brand has largely kept the MPV untouched. However, two of the trims have received noteworthy enhancements. Additionally, there is no longer an LXS trim level of the Carnival. This leaves 4 trims for interested Michigan drivers to choose from. Performance. Coming back for its second year, the 3.5L V6 under the hood of the 2023 Kia Carnival family of vehicles keeps every adventure in the MPV invigorating for everyone inside. Generating 290 horsepower, there is more than enough power to get daily tasks done efficiently even when the Carnival is loaded with cargo and/or passengers. The accompanying 8-speed automatic transmission keeps the performance seamless for maximum enjoyment of the ride. Standard FWD also returns for the second model year Kia vehicle. Interior features. While most of the features inside the 2023 Kia Carnival are kept similar to its 2022 iteration, both the SX and the SX Prestige trims have notable updates. In the SX trim level, a pair of 12.3-inch displays are now standard. One handles the infotainment features while the other displays all the digital gauges for the instrument cluster. Meanwhile, the SX Prestige now comes standard with a 3-seat middle row. This offers the ability to have more people ride in the Carnival. However, the previously standard captain's chairs are still available in the 2023 model year version of the Kia MPV. Safety features. The array of standard and available driver assistance systems found in the 2023 Kia Carnival have been directly brought over from its previous iteration. This includes standard features such as automatic emergency braking with added pedestrian detection technology. These ensure that drivers are properly protected from potential accidents in front of them. Lane keeping assist and lane departure warning technology also come back for another year of helping the driver keep the vehicle where it's supposed to be on the road. Opting for adaptive cruise control allows the Carnival to be the ultimate vacation taker in Michigan. Shop for the 2023 Kia Carnival today by visiting Thalen Kia. The team at Thalen Kia knows that you and your family will appreciate everything that the 2023 Kia Carnival has to offer. If you'd like more information about the newest MPV and how it compares to its 2022 counterpart, stop by our Bay City dealership today. We are proud to be a Mid-Michigan leader for new Kia sales because we know how to give the customer the quality attention to their needs that they deserve when they shop for a new vehicle. 2023 Kia Carnival. Base MSRP $34,465. Horsepower 290 HP. City estimated miles per gallon 19 miles per gallon. Highway estimated miles per gallon 26 miles per gallon. 2022 Kia Carnival. Base MSRP $33,635. Horsepower 290 HP. City estimated miles per gallon 19 miles per gallon. Highway estimated miles per gallon 26 miles per gallon. The Kia Carnival is a different take on a minivan, or as Kia calls it, a multi-purpose vehicle, MPV. Inspired by the highly successful Telluride SUV, the Carnival has crossover-like dimensions, large wheels, premium design elements, and an upscale interior. For the 2023 model year, the Carnival adds some new features across the trim lineup. Find out what we know so far about the release date, price, specs, and features of the 2023 Kia Carnival. All 2023 Kia Carnival minivans feature a 3.5-liter V6 engine. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, it generates 290 horsepower and 262 pound-foot of torque. For efficiency, the Carnival gets an estimated gas mileage of up to 19 city or 26 highway miles per gallon. Also, the Carnival has a maximum towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. The verdict: parents usually have a few tricks up their sleeves when it comes to carting kids around, and the 2022 Kia Carnival adds a few more much-needed features that make it less of a chore. Ride and handling issues, however, make the Carnival just short of magical. Versus the competition, the Carnival's new convenience goodies and affordable price make it more competitive, but other minivans have more powertrain options. It also comes up short against the Chrysler Pacifica's blend of utility, technology, and driving refinement. Wait, what's the Carnival? Kia reinvented its Sedona as the Carnival for 2022, ditching the previous version's obvious minivan styling for a more blocky, SUV-like look. It also debuts the brand's new badge, a sleeker and more fluid version of the previous Kia logo. Color me surprised by the Carnival's responsiveness. It's quick, and not just for a minivan. The Soul engine is a 3.5-liter V6 good for 290 horsepower. It pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers brisk, no-nonsense shifts and smooth power delivery. The drivetrain never felt lacking even fully loaded with my family of 5. Sadly, smoothness is not a theme. The Carnival's soft suspension tuning makes for less than graceful handling. It careens over bumps and through turns with roller coaster-esque dips and floatiness, and exhibits a lot of body lean in corners. The Carnival's steering tuning doesn't help. A light, uncommunicative steering wheel makes for a numb, disconnected driving experience. The 2023 Kia Carnival is primarily a carryover model. However, the minivan offers some new features across the trim lineup. The Carnival SX trim has a newly standard blind spot view monitor, as well as a panoramic 12.3-inch digital cluster and 12.3-inch center display. Also, the SX Prestige trim has newly standard 8 passenger slide flex seating with a second-row center multi-function seat. Both the SX and SX Prestige trims offer newly optional streaming media capability and a dual-screen rear seat entertainment system. Plus, second-row VIP lounge seats are now available for the SX Prestige. In terms of ride, the Carnival remains composed over smaller bumps, but larger ones unsettle it with impact harshness shimmying and vibrating the cabin. The Pacifica does a better job delivering a more comfortable ride and handling balance along with better maneuverability. The Carnival's estimated fuel economy is similar to key rivals, but here, too, there's room for improvement. It's EPA rated at 19.26-22 miles per gallon city or highway air combined, close to the 2021 Pacifica and Odyssey's 19.28-22 miles per gallon ratings. My biggest complaint here is a lack of choice. Chrysler offers a plug-in hybrid Pacifica that delivers much better fuel efficiency, and the 2021 Toyota Sienna Hybrid also offers impressive efficiency. The Carnival is available in LX, EX, SX and SX Prestige trims and offers 2 different second-row seating configurations, one that's roomy and versatile, and one families should skip. My SX test model came with the slide flex system that makes the second row more flexible. There are 3 seats that slide forward and back and recline independent of each other. You can slide the middle seat forward, for example, so it's easier for a front seat passenger to reach a belted child. It sounds similar to the 2021 Honda Odyssey's Magic Slide system, but with a twist. In the Carnival, you can fold down the middle seat to convert it to a table with cup holders. Cool and useful. The SX model's child safety seat accommodations are also family-friendly. With 3 easy-access lower latch anchors and ample room in the second row, I was able to quickly install 3 car seats. The third row has 2 sets of lower anchors, too. Read the full car seat check. In the not cool and less useful corner is the VIP lounge seating on the top of the line SX Prestige trim I also tested. The seats are much wider than the regular second-row captain's chairs and have power controls, heating, ventilation, wraparound head restraints and pop-out leg extensions. This sounds lovely for getting a pedicure, not hauling around my kids. First, no one can use the third row when the seats are fully reclined because they encroach on the rearmost seating area. Second, it's difficult to access the third row because the seat's extra width makes the walkway between them quite narrow, even once they're slid all the way to the side doors. The Carnival's small item storage spaces, a must-have for my snack-obsessed, device-happy family, aren't that impressive either. The center console storage box is just ho-hum in terms of size and functionality. The Pacifica and Odyssey do this much better, and there aren't a lot of cubbies in the doors for storing small stuff. The third row has cup holders but no device storage bin that others have, which means my 10-year-old stuff gets tossed everywhere. It also doesn't have underfloor storage bins like the Pacifica. In cargo, again, the Pacifica is unbeatable thanks to its stow-and-go seating system that lets you quickly and easily tumble the second-row seats into the floor. The Carnival's regular second-row seats fold down or can be removed, a strenuous, clumsy undertaking, but the lounge seats don't fold or come out. However, all versions of the Carnival have a third row that easily folds into the floor. By Kia's numbers, the Carnival has 40.2 cubic feet of manufactured estimated cargo space behind the third row, a few cubic feet higher than its competitors.